Welcome back. Let's take a look at the IDE homepage. It's the launch point for all the applications that you have. So let's look and see what's in it. If this is the first time you've logged in, this is what you're seeing. The bottom is platform apps, then my apps right above that, and then the lab. Platform apps are the apps that allow you to do things like connect to your ERP and databases and work with security and identity access management, whether you're using LDAP, Okta, or the security model that KRISE Systems brings. My apps will be empty and will eventually populate with the applications that you're building. Lab is something we'll get into at the end. Let's take a look at all the other icons and see where they take us. Starting with the top right, if I click over here, this icon will take us to the KRISE Systems forum. Whereas if I hit this, it will take us to the KRISE Systems lab, and the books take us to all the reference manuals. Moving along, this green button here allows us to switch environments from dev to QA and production. Hitting this and selecting will take you to each one. The 9 dots is a fast path to all of the applications you built, so you can get quickly to each one without scrolling. This allows you to log out safely. So let's add a new application. All I need to do is go to this button and click it. Now in name, I cannot use spaces, but a description will allow us to do anything we like. Then we look at security, authorizations. All we need to do then is hit add, and voila, here is the new app. Clicking inside this app will bring us to the developer menu. The developer menu allows you to see what the application is, any security that you're looking for, project management, assigning roles and tasks, looking at what's been developed, and if you're a JD Edwards shop, UDCs and data dictionary information. Going back, let's take one last look at this and look at design time and runtime. Design time and runtime will tell you what version of the platform you're running. So if you call tech support and they say, what is your design time revision? You know it's on the IDE homepage. Here is the lab, the last part of our conversation. Lab connects you to all the other KRISE developers around the world. This is a place for you to put your own pieces of code and for other developers around the world to put new applications, tips and techniques, and code that you can reuse as well. It all allows you to install this information inside your workbench. The lab workbench is critically important if you like to learn new things without kicking off DevOps or creating new applications. This is a clean sandbox to do everything that you'd like in a pure world. So try out new things, try out other people's pieces of code before you add them into an application. It is certainly worth using. That's all we have for the IDE homepage. Thanks for participating, and we're ecstatic to see what you're going to build today.